Hello and welcome back to our channel. Have you ever noticed a shooting star in the night sky? The object you actually saw was a meteoroid burning up in the Earth's atmosphere, not a star as you would have thought. What distinguishes a meteoroid from a meteor and a meteorite though? We'll examine the distinctions among these three celestial planets in this video. How do meteors, meteoroids, and meteorites differ from one another? As it turns out, it all depends on where they are in the sky because meteoroids are quite far up. Earth has already been visited by meteorites. When meteors disintegrate in the atmosphere, they fall to Earth in a streak of light. Hence, they begin in the sky as a meteoroid. Then they start to fall like a meteor with lights. We refer to it as a meteorite when it hits the ground on Earth. 1. Meteoroids. Some meteoroids are aimed at Earth and are composed of metal or stones that move through space. Compared to comets, meteoroids are smaller than asteroids and have less water and ice. The position of meteoroids in our solar system is extremely remote. They haven't entered the atmosphere of Earth. Because they are a part of the solar system, meteoroids have the potential to obstruct spacecraft operations. This is why NASA's Meteoroid Environment Office, MEO, takes into account the danger of meteoroids originating outside of Earth's orbit. Until it begins to enter the atmosphere of Earth, it is a meteoroid. Meteoroids transform into meteors or shooting stars at this stage as they enter the atmosphere. 2. Meteors. The meteors you see in the sky during a meteor shower are meteors that have burned up in the atmosphere of Earth. Meteors are frequently referred to as shooting stars during a meteor shower. The atmosphere of Earth causes meteors to flashlight into the sky. The friction in our mesosphere, specifically, causes meteors to break. When they move, they frequently leave a trail in the direction they are moving. Since they are among the most stunning celestial phenomena we can see, meteor showers are no doubt breathtaking. The majority of meteors decompose in the atmosphere before they reach the Earth. They specifically disintegrate in the mesosphere, but we refer to those that fall to Earth as meteorites. Have you ever seen a shooting star or a light streak in the sky? If so, it is possible that this was not a star at all. Instead, you saw a meteor burn up in the Earth's atmosphere. 3. Meteorites. We can all see meteorites because they are what fall to Earth. For instance, the Barringer crater in Arizona is an old meteorite relic made of rocky material. The most common type of meteor is stony, like this one. The meteorites that we have counted in the Antarctic ice have led us to this conclusion. All the effects of meteors are visible when you stare at the moon. There was the same number of meteor impacts on Earth during its early history. Why then do we observe so many meteors on the moon but none on Earth? Our planet's abundance of water is one of the main contrasts. We don't see many of the meteorites that reach the Earth because it is primarily made of water. What about those that collide with the ground? Many craters, mountains, and other geographical features on Earth have been destroyed through time by weathering, erosion, and mass wasting. Meteorites reach the surface of the Earth. These objects, which come from space, land on Earth. Our examination of the distinctions between meteoroids, meteors, and meteorites is now complete. In conclusion, meteors are the light streaks we see when small space rocks enter the Earth's atmosphere and ignite owing to friction, whereas meteoroids are space rocks and trash. In addition, a meteoroid is referred to as a meteorite if any of it makes it to the ground after surviving its ascent through the atmosphere. The next time you see a shooting star, just remember that it's actually a meteor burning up in the atmosphere rather than a star at all. And who knows, perhaps one day you'll be fortunate enough to see a genuine meteorite on the ground. Please remember to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Thanks for watching.